Hello everyone, Chris Hale here from Profit Squirrel, coming to you all with another Profit Squirrel vlog. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fantastically well. Today, what we're going to be talking about is how to find out what you should bet on this week. Firstly, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button below, hit the bell, make sure you don't miss out on any opportunities for you to make money. There are new videos coming out every single week here at Profit Squirrel, each one of them designed to teach you what you need to know to help you along on your road to making money online. So hit that subscribe button now. So, why do you need to know what to bet on? Well, it depends on the offer that you're completing. So, some of the offers that you come across, whether those are the welcome offers or the daily offers, might be for specific events. And that quite often occurs when there's maybe a Derby Day game, Man United, Man City, or something like that, or something like a big horse racing event, Cheltenham, the Grand National. There you'll often find that bookmakers specify the exact event that you can use that offer on, whether that's a free bet, a refund if, or whatever. But you will find that there's quite a high percentage of offers that don't actually specify the event that you need to use in order to complete those. And you can basically choose anything that you want. And often you can choose a variety of different markets in those events. And sometimes having too much choice is actually not a good thing, because you can get a little bit lost and say, hey, I'm not actually sure what the best event to bet on is. So what I want to do is bring your attention to this thread on the Profit Squirrel forum. I've dropped the link to it below in the comments. And on this thread, what we're going to see is every single week it's going to be updated, and it's just going to highlight some of the big notable events that are happening throughout the week in the world of sport. And this can be useful for a few different reasons. Number one, they are big events. So if you are looking for an event with a lot of liquidity, these are going to be the ones for you. And that perhaps provides you with the opportunity to use a different exchange to the one that you might normally use, benefiting from a bit of lower commission. Additionally, if you're looking to do some mug betting in order to keep your accounts in good order and make sure that the free offers keep coming in, avoid gubbing as much as you can, then these are often good things to bet on, because they're things that a lot of other people will be betting on as well. You don't, of course, have to bet on these events. If something matches your minimum odds or whatever is required for the offer, then just go ahead and place bets on that. Don't worry too much about having to do this. However, if you're looking for the things that I mentioned earlier, something high profile, good liquidity, then this is the thread to check. Once you're on this thread, signed into the forum, go ahead and select this tab at the bottom here where I've got it currently set to not watching. Click on that and select watching to make sure that you get notified every single time that there's a new post in here. It's only one post a week, so it's not gonna overwhelm your inbox in your forum, but it's a useful little one to have to hand. So I hope that's been a helpful one for you guys. Do you ever have problems finding a big event? Do you actually follow sport, or are you not a sports fan at all? Because we know that match bettors tend to fall into those two camps. Some of them love sport, some of them can't stand it, but they don't mind, because you don't have to follow sports, obviously, to do match betting. Let me know in the comments below which one you are, what you're thinking about this video and these offers. I love, as always, to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next Profit Squirrel video. Take care, everyone. See you soon.